The GCP project is the heart of the MSM program. It's what sets it apart, makes it special, and really pulls us together as a family so that we can celebrate each other in our learning experiences and see how far we've come at the end of this semester.
We were partnering with a private equity firm called Front Street Capital, and they're leading the development of a new mixed-use project called The Grounds. It's going to have lots of different restaurants, hotels, stores, apartments. And so our project was specifically to look at this one parcel that was roughly 7 acres and see if it would be financially viable and in their best interest to pursue developing a multifamily unit.
The Grounds retail space was phase 1 of their project, and they wanted to loop us in on phase 2 to give us, some of that real world exposure to client work that the MSM program is very well known for.
Essentially what we did was start by doing just some market research, looking at secondary data based on real estate trends here in Winston-Salem, gathering all that information, looking at opportunities for growth here. So just kind of doing background research just to become more familiar with the project and what all was encompassed in the scope. We also were able to meet with our advisors and learn more about the primary data that they had for us, and then kind of combining that together to then drive our financials.
Once we were able to ask some good questions, do some of our market research, just get some numbers, some projections, some revenue on that pro forma income statement was really when, the wheel started turning and we were able, to make a product that we are proud of.
And then from there, we were able to decide based on our finances and our research, who do we want to target with this project, and then kind of put all of that together to form our final presentation, which we worked on for several weeks and then ended and concluded with our presentation to faculty and our peers.
I love seeing everyone's hard work and the end of our tough semester and seeing all the different ideas and projects that other teams had, but also being able to present our hard work and kind of have that shared experience within the program.
Super cool to be part of something that, wasn't just confined to the classroom, but was something that, in a few years I could come back and see and be like, hey, I worked with these people, I was, walking around, McCreary Tower, looking at the development site before any of this was here.
It's so important for you to step outside of your comfort zone, and in doing so, you'll be able to find things and learn new skills that you didn't even know you had.
So to think that 7 weeks ago, I was just looking at a blank Excel sheet, not sure what to do, and now I've gained such a confidence in my own abilities to look at finances and interpret financial information. I think for me, that's been very rewarding.
Looking back only halfway through my time here in the program, I've gained a number of invaluable connections that I will be using for the rest of my life and keeping in touch with these people that I've met in this program. And I've gained so much more from even just the project and the classes than I thought I would. The overall business acumen for someone that doesn't come from a business background that they provided me was fantastic.